Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I think this is going to be the last video for this person. I think they've got it understood now, but she ended up not wanting the graphic on the entire wrench like that by the numbers. So this is very easily done. You just draw a line to stop it, and what I would do is draw a curved line so it wouldn't just be so abrupt stop. And then if you hold down your control button, you get an even break. And just, whoop, didn't mean to do that. Sorry. So you've got a stopping point. It's kind of curved. Now to get this power clip into this section that you want it, use the Smart Fill tool. Let's see what our nudge is at. We're only see how big our item is. It's only 2 inches, so let's make our nudge factor 4, which is good. Bring this down, and let's zoom in here, and I'm going to power clip, or I'm going to smart fill into this section. And see, it only does, and I was using that color earlier, I guess. And then just cursor, nudge it down, left click, right click in black right now. So you have a new well to put it in there, and there's my little curve. And then grab your graphic and go up to arrange and power clip and place inside frame. And then just nudge it back up and you're done. That way your graphic, they're making a mold for a wrench. And then I think that looks pretty cool. You would play around, maybe make it a better curvature. You could do a straight line since you've got straight lines, but just kind of adds to it. So that's how you power clip into just part of an item. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.